In the previous video, we looked at the causes of low libido, low sex drive in ladies. Today, in this video, we will be giving ourselves practical tips to help to supercharge her libido, to improve her sex drive. And this video will be awesome. It will save marriages. Do well to hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to several other persons. 6 practical tips, both medical and psychological tips to help to improve your sex drive. The first one is her mind. As a lady, you must change your mindset about sex. You must see sex as a healthy, pleasurable, desirable, positive act. And as we know, sex begins in the mind. It begins in your thoughts. And this is the advantage men have. Men seem to always fantasize about sex. They imagine it, they see it in their minds, they feel it, they taste it, actually go through the act in their minds. And most importantly, they enjoy it all in their mind. And no wonder they seem to always be in the mood for sex, because sex starts in the mind. And psychoneuroendocrinology tells us that where the mind goes, the body follows. And so the first tip is change your mindset and your mind play about sex. Be deliberate to engage your mind several times in a day. Learn to paint beautiful romantic sexual encounter with your partner in your mind. It starts in the mind. Enjoy sex in your mind and your body most likely will follow. Your imaginations about sex must be positive, pleasurable, real. Visualize it. Paint the color, be vivid with the colors, feel the sound, feel the pleasure all in your mind, and most likely your body will follow, because now you are reprogramming that paradigm that sex is positive, pleasurable, desirable, healthy. If you do this consistently in your mind, it will work wonders. It will work magic. Tip number 2, her mouth. Practice self-talk. Say positive things about sex to yourself. Talk to yourself more than you listen to yourself. Tell yourself things, positive things about sex more than you listen. Listen to that voice of your mother, of your teacher, of your preacher in your head that is actually affecting you. This way you can change the narrative in your head. This is how we replace unhealthy thoughts with healthy, positive thoughts, and stir up your body for a healthy, romantic, pleasurable sex life. This is how we reprogram our minds several times in a day. Say it out loud. In fact, if you are alone, go and stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Sex is good. I love sex. I enjoy sex. I can't wait to make love with my partner. Now, this way you are reprogramming the narrative in your mind, right? Again, apart from using your mind, you are using your mouth, using the power and the psychology of self-talk to change the voice in your head and talk to your body. And usually when you talk to your body obeys. Number 3, her man. Major conflicts, major problems, major misunderstandings with her man must be addressed and resolved for the lady to be free to release herself completely. She must be loved, she must feel adored. This is not optional. The man must care for her, must give to her, must assist her, she must feel supported. And so her man plays a major part in determining how well she feels when it comes to sex and how much she desires sex. He must learn to say sweet words and positive words, and words that makes her feel appreciated and admired. Things like I love you, I am sorry, I forgive you, forgive me, thank you, and so on. So the man must go down to help with the house chores like fixing the breakfast, changing the diapers, babysitting, helping with the homework. So if a man develops the habit of calling her at work or getting a gift for her on his way back from work, or staying off his phones as soon as he gets home, taking her to the movies, holding her hands in the public, visiting her family, little things like this will help to boost her sex drive. Also, for men, improve your sex skills. Learn how to give good foreplay, learn how to give good massage, and stop thinking about orgasm. Stop thinking about orgasm and focus on helping her to get satisfied. All this will invariably improve her sex drive and her desire for sex. So the third thing here is her man. We must fix the problems with her man, and her man must improve in his romantic and sex life. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, do it to hit the like button, and I would deeply appreciate. Yes, hit the like button and I would deeply appreciate. The fourth thing here is her manners. Lady, look good, do things, do positive things, act positive. Watch your health, watch your lifestyle, because your health and your lifestyle will invariably affect your sex life. You make your habits, and then your habits in turn make you. So positively, so wisely. Stop smoking, fix that drug addiction, fix that alcohol addiction. Take a lot of fruits and vegetables, and take a lot of multivitamins, take a lot of minerals and supplements. Exercise regularly, do squats, do crunches, do planks, reduce your weight, burn some fat, get enough rest and sleep, and drink a lot of water. Watch your manners, watch your habits, and because your habits and your manners, your lifestyle will invariably improve your sex life. So that's number 4. Number 5, her moods. Watch your emotions and your feelings. Learn to feel good. Stop feeling bad that your sex life is not up to what you see on social media, what your friends tell you about their own sex lives, and what you watch in pornographic movies. Stop comparing. Let go of the past. The past is past. Move on, be positive, and work on your moods, because your feelings are everything. Forgive anyone who hurt you in the past. Let go of all those mental torture. Work with a psychologist, work with your religious leader, with your pastor, to make sure you let go of the past and of the hurts and the feelings, and let your predominant emotions and feelings be positive and powerful. This will spill over into your sex life. Always learn to generate happy thoughts. Happy thoughts. Manage stress at work and stress in your school or your business, because these things affect the female libido. Find ways to relax. This will open up the wells of your sexual feelings. The juices will start to flow, and it will bring you sexual healing. Right? Your feelings must be positive. So do what makes you happy. Sing to loud music, dance with all of your heart, attend parties, attend gatherings, visit friends, meditate, pray, sing, dance. Do what you love and love what you do. Let your emotions be positive. What are your hobbies? Go for them and feel good. Number 6, her medical condition. Few times the sexual problems you are having is based on medical problems. So could it be a medical condition? Could it be a drug that your doctor prescribed that is dampening your sex drive? Is it an illness in the body or in the mind? Is it due to a surgery that you had? Is it related to pregnancy? Is it related to childbirth? Is it menopause? I won't say much about this. Just visit your doctor. If you're having this persistent low libido and you have tried all that we have mentioned previously consistently for months and you've not seen any improvement, see your doctor for a medical checkup to see if we can dig up if it's a medical condition or not. While there are many drugs that can improve sexual desire and performance in men, we have not been able to easily achieve that with women. And so there are some persons that take herbs, and some ladies have tried traditional stuff like kayamata and so on. Some of these solutions have not been fully verified. If you follow all these I've mentioned, you will see significant improvement in your sex life almost immediately. But if you don't, patient and persevere and practice and keep practicing. Also, do well to watch this video where I talked about the causes of low libido in ladies. Also, watch this video where I talked about kayamata, a herbal alternative to some of these sexual problems women have. Take charge of your health and happiness, and I will see you in the next one.